This is our 10th edition of RTL, and we have been doing Returning to Love theme, ki what are our gifts and all. But today it's a very, very special day because, like we all know about artificial intelligence, this name, Oneness Intelligence, is coined by Anika, which where she is talking about oneness, not oneness, sirf bahar, andar ki bhi oneness. And that is how it gets manifested if we are one with the one. So that says all. And today she's projecting all that through art. So this is an art exhibition where, such beautiful talent has come up that it's mesmerizing.
Whenever people perform any kind of action, it has certain impact. And what they don't realize that it is the oneness that we all have. And whatever action I do, we think that it doesn't have any impact on other people, but it does have. Whatever choices we make, it does impact others as well. It's not only for us, it's for other people too, because we all are one. So the concept of oneness, I think it's for me is whatever actions, whatever choices I make, it does impact other people, and people are never segregated from each other. They are one because we all are one. So for me, oneness is that.
Oneness is about every single day. If in case I have one thing to look forward to and I am able to do one constructive thing in the entirety of the day, I believe that I am making one thing possible, is connecting to myself. So har din, if I'm getting up in the morning and I'm trying to go on the rat race as such, which is fine. But amongst the entirety of the day, if you look at all these paintings, look at every single painting inside this room. There are about 17, 18, 20 paintings. None of them are similar to each other, but all of them have a similarity. They are all paintings. So they're expressing it on a canvas, but it is connected to one common concept, is will they sustain the thought of the painter to the receiver? And as an academician myself, if in case I am not able to simplify it for you, if I paint a green picture in my head और आपको yellow color की दिख रही है, I am the one who's at fault, and that is oneness for me. So if in case I am that prepared in my head that okay, I wanted to converse something to Mr. Karan, and he understands it, him understanding, me explaining, oneness, then we are on the same page.
Oneness, the concept has been there from forever, right? It has been there, and the truth point is that we all are part of one entity. We are all connected in some way. It's about just finding your alignment, and I think very truly she brought that about in this event, and the whole idea of being aligned with everything, yourself, the environment, the people, the society, and working just not for me but for everyone. That's how you can actually go about spreading this message. So it's not new. It's about resurrecting it, making it more easy to understand for the youth, because I think they are the ones who will do the job. And once they understand how you can do something about it, it's about action, I feel. So oneness, beautiful concept, needs to be more into action, and I feel the word or the understanding will go through talking about it to the young people, making them understand that it's not something different, it's an everyday thing. Every day how you can contribute.
Whenever we have been to this place, like we have given a rethought to ourselves, like what is the thought process, what one should do in life. And it is returning to life is returning to love is what one should keep on perceiving himself or herself. And in other ways, you can say it's giving something back to the society.
I attend this event every year, and it's really, very nice. So glad to be here this year also.
From one, from ek, from ik, emerged all. Then whose kind, whose found? Through a prism, the myriad colors are all around. Some warm, other blazing. Some soothe, other flaming. जब ये सारी कायनात उसके इश्क का है आईना, फिर कौन काफिर कौन मोमिन, क्या कुफ्र फिर क्या ईमान।